Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn CBSE class 9 history first chapter French Revolution. So in this chapter we will learn about the process of revolution which has taken place in France, as it was not an easy task to get new structure for the government, as most of the countries in Europe run by dynastical powers and they use their rule dynastically or despotically by exploiting people and their rights. So, this chapter is important as for whatever the changes made in French Revolution, France after the French Revolution in 1789 become an example for the other rest of the European countries, and then further it spread to another countries the new ideas of freedom, fraternity, equality. So particularly we here studied about French Revolution. It was the year of 1789 when revolution started and it took a large scale shape. Then King Louis XVI ruled over France and his rule was very despotic. He belongs to Bourbon family, as this family had been ruling France for many years, many centuries. When he came to the power, he saw that his treasure was empty. There might be many reasons behind this empty treasure. The first reason, that is the long years of wars with England to free 13 American colonies from the British clutches. At that time, British ruled mostly all over the globe, and USA is one of the country which was ruled by Britain. So France, no doubt, he was a powerful European country, and there was an enmity between France and England, as they wanted to overpower their strength toward the other countries. So they helped America to free their 13 colonies from British clutches. So they spent a lot of money, they waste their resources over these fightings, long years of wars. It was the leading reason behind the empty treasure of France. Another reason, that is French rulers, they were very luxurious ones. Their wives, queens lived a lavish life. They used to live in a very lavish courts and build it according to their own imagination, and the cost of maintaining them was so huge that most of the income resources of France was spent over maintaining the courts. Third one, as they took lot of loan from the lenders, so the loan amount now get increased, and the lenders now asking for 10% interest over it. So it was very difficult for the King Louis XVI to get resources, economical resources, to fulfill its expenses. Here one thing which is not mentioned here, that is the income of the country is generated only by the particular section of the society, that is the poor people. We can say third estate according to this chapter, as the society was divided. But the upper caste society who own large amount of land, they have given privileges. They never paid taxes, as they were exempted to pay any kind of taxes. That was the reason that most of the society who was very comfortable about their living cannot contribute to the economical adding, but only some section of society who can contribute to the economy. That was the reason that when King Louis XVI came to the power, he saw that his treasure was empty.